Hello, I just want to do a quick video for anyone that owns a 2013 Nissan Altima. I've been seeing a lot of stuff on YouTube that show an obvious problem with the headlights. Clearly should have been a recall. A lot of people are putting in LEDs, trying to get it to work. It's a major safety issue at night, trying to drive with this particular model of car. What I did here was took apart one of the old headlamp housings, which we have completely replaced now. I wanted to show you what's actually going on. So this is the reflector that's inside, and you can see the issue there. It's completely cooked, so there's no way any light is getting to this projector lens, TIR lens, which is designed to bounce the light around and project it a little further than normal. And then also this lens, which is unserviceable, is completely, you can't see anything through that. It's covered with cook, basically, from the lamps. So the fix for that is relatively inexpensive. I believe we picked these up at 1A Auto for about 200 bucks. It's a complete new housing compared to the old one here. From what I understand, that is going to be a total fix. So that should work out great. We've paired it with a couple of LED light bulbs that cover both the H11 and H9 to get maximum brightness. So hopefully that does the trick, but I want to put this up so people could see what's actually happening. All right, thanks.